Hi guys, it's Ray. Today we are going to do a tumbler using the Teckwrap Crafts black pearl vinyl. It looks like an oil slick to me. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to do this on a Hog 22-ounce fatty tumbler. I only did the top and the bottom because I'm going to do a full wrap. And it's about 7 inches tall, so I'm going to start by cutting off 7 inches of my vinyl. It's a little taller than 7 inches, but the flat spot is just over 7. So I'm going to cut a little bit over 7. That'll give me a little bit of a lip at the bottom and a little bit at the top, because I'm not going to stripe this or do anything with it. I just love this as is. And I have to measure around it. Because I can never remember all of the sizes right off the top of my head. So just under 11 inches around. So I'm going to cut it down to about 11. Okay. So there we go. This is going to be a very quick, basic tumbler. Just like any vinyl, I'm going to cut an anchor. And put it back on and test fit. I need to trim this again because I am not straight at all. There. Hopefully that evens it out. Because I'm not striping this, I want it like as even as possible. There we go. That looks like a good start. And just run it around. Just about perfect. Excellent. So this is just going to get, you can barely see that seam. I love that for me. But this is going to get this antisocial butterfly DTF, UV DTF decal from Butterfly Lane Designs. I kind of printed it accidentally a little bigger, or had it printed a little bit bigger than I wanted. So that's why I went with the little bit larger cup. For this one. So I'm going to peel the back layer off, and I'm going to do this directly onto the vinyl. I've already tested, and I'm sure it's okay. I'm going to try and get it even. Once you get these on, they're on, and that is it. But I thought the colors were perfect with this, for this decal. And then you just have to get an edge of the top layer. Oops. And peel it off carefully. And that is that. And then I just cut a little circle of the vinyl to put on the bottom as well, just so the bottom's not solid black. So I measured kind of the indent. And I like to start from the center and go around in a circle to kind of smooth that out. I'm a little off center, but it is just fine. And we're going to get this over and get a coat of epoxy on it. And that's it for this one. It does really not get any easier than that. Okay, my epoxy is mixed and ready. It is extremely hot in here, so my epoxy is very thin. But I think the epoxy just enhances the beauty of this vinyl if you look at this as it comes around. I don't know if it's more oil slick or like mother of pearl. My initial gut thought was oil slick, but looking at it like this, it really looks like abalone shell. That's what I'm looking for, right? Either way, this vinyl is absolutely stunning. So this is the black pearl, black colorful pearl, colorful pearl black from Teckwrap Crafts. And it is absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy I used this already. And this antisocial butterfly tarot card decal is just gorgeous with it. So, super happy. The epoxy really enhances the pearl shine on this vinyl, I think. I think it looks gorgeous. So this is just going to get another clear coat or two after this coat dries, and this tumbler will be done. In cases where you can do less steps and make your work easier, go ahead and do it. Because there would have been no reason to do epoxy between the UV DTF and the vinyl. Had I used a regular decal, I would have had to put a layer in between. But because the UV DTFs have no clear component left on the tumbler, it's not necessary. And again, this Teckwrap craft vinyl is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. Look at the colors in that. It is absolutely fabulous. I love everything about this one. And the bottom just has the little bit of the vinyl on it. Hard to get an angle on that when it's spinning. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you've used this vinyl, let me know what ways you've used this particular roll in. Or if you plan to use it, let me know how. Because I think this would be great even set in like a tray. Because it's just so very pretty. But that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.